One more tea bite.
Hold on, oh, that might be hot. That might be hot. That might...
Not hot at all.
Not at all? Not even a incy bincy?
Yes. I can drink all this tea when we're in bed.
How am I going to drink it? You're drinking it all now. Do you know what that tea is? It's a mix of mint tea from Daddy's garden, and it's got green tea. You guys are going to be up all night.
There's no more tea.
Yeah, I see that. I see that. Well, it is Cinco de Mayo, so maybe a Mexican menu. How about that?
There you go.
All right. Okay, now. All right.
When we saved a tiny bit.
Tacos.
Hey, give me one more bite.
My goodness, bite. You're gonna bite the cup?
One more bite.
That's not. You don't bite tea. Oh boy, you don't bite tea.
Here, Nanny, then I have a bite.
What?
Here, Nora.
Hold on, I didn't even get any of my tea.
No, I have a bite.
I didn't even get any of my.
I have a bite.
I didn't even get any of my.
I have a bite. I have a bite. I have a bite. She has a bite. She has a bite. I have a bite.
Oh, brother.
None of you.
All right, now it's time for bed.
Give me a sip.
All right.
We're drinking all the tea.
I think so. Thank you so much. Oh. What about my needs? What about my needs? You don't care about Daddy's needs. You don't care. That's what you think about Daddy's needs, huh? Oh boy.
I need one more bite.
Another bite of my tea? My goodness, you
I
guys.
get one more bite.
All right, that's your last bite now.
No, we're gonna drink more.
What, are you gonna eat the leaves? There's only leaves left. There's nothing but leaves left. My mint leaves.
Now my
Uh-oh, Mother's calling. Oh boy.
We love it.
Really?
Here you go.
Serious? Are you sure? Thank you for leaving. Thanks, girls. Wow. Daddy's got some left.
And give me one more sip.
Oh. Daddy was hoping to get a little sip. You guys, thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing amongst yourselves. Because I think Daddy didn't get any.
There's just a little bit
Are you sure? Yeah, I think so.
there.
Oh, brother. All right. Well, thank you, girls. Thanks for sharing. Really, thank you. All right. Bye-bye. Yeah, all right.